Beauty and attractiveness is the feeling that pulls your heart, creating a warm and joyful feeling. Everyone feels happy and warm when they see cute things. Top 10 Most Attractive Women in the World 2024. Number 10. Adriana Lima, country Brazil. She has been one of Victoria's Secret's most popular angels since 2000. She has walked countless high fashion runways and ranks near the top of Forbes' list. She is one of the world's most beautiful female models in 2024. Number 9. Ana de Armas, country Spain. She began her career by playing the lead role in the Cuban love film Una Rosa de Francia, 2006. She moved to Madrid, Spain at the age of 18 and appeared in the popular drama El Internado for 6 seasons from 2007 to 2010. Number 8. Yael Shelbia, country Israel. Even at such a young age, she has participated in several international modeling campaigns. She rose to prominence as a model for Israeli companies Renewar in 2018 and Castro in 2017. She presently stars in the Israeli television series Palmach on Teen Nick via Yes. Number 7. Kiara Advani. Kiara Advani, 7th on our list, is a most attractive Indian actress, who was born on the 31st of July 1991, in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. She works in Hindi and Telugu languages films. Number 6. Margot Robbie, country Australia. She is the most attractive Australian actress. She received her first major break in Hollywood with Martin Scorsese's The Wolf of Wall Street. In 2016, she played the insane Harley Quinn in the blockbuster film Suicide Squad, as well as Jane in The Legend of Tarzan. Number 5. Taylor Swift, country United States. With a large fan base and widespread public attention, she has had a tremendous impact on not only the music industry, but also popular culture and politics, through her songs, artistic undertakings, entrepreneurial spirit, and advocacy work. Number 4. Millie Bobby Brown, country Spain. Brown was named to the Time 100 list of the world's most influential people in 2018 and was selected as a UNICEF Goodwill Ambassador, making her the youngest person to do so. Millie Bobby Brown's net worth is expected to be at $15 million by 2024. Number 3. Selena Gomez, country United States. She began her career as a young actress, appearing in the children's television series Barney and Friends from 2002 until 2004. Gomez rose to stardom and became a teen heartthrob after starring as Alex Russo on the Disney Channel sitcom Wizards of Waverly Place from 2007 to 2012. Number 2. Kristen Stewart, country United States. She rose to international prominence after playing Bella Swan in the Twilight Saga film series, 2008-2012. It is among the highest-grossing film franchises, and Stewart received the BAFTA Rising Star Award in 2010. She was ranked as one of Hollywood's highest-paid actresses in 2010. She is also the face of several fashion labels, including Chanel. She plays acoustic and electric guitars, as well as trumpet. Number 1. Alexandra Daddario, country United States. She is the number 1 attractive woman in the world. She looks so beautiful, so charming, and you will drown in her eyes. She is so beautiful. Everyone will fall madly in love with them as soon as they see them. Alexandra Daddario was born on March 16, 1986, in New York City, United States. She is a stunning American actress. She made her debut as Annabeth Chase in the Percy Jackson film series, 2010-2013. She is also known in some movies.